Hello, my name is Stewart. I'm a landscaper trained by a golf course superintendent for the care of Western Washington lawns. And today is May 6th. And this is a lawn that I've just got done thatching, aerating, seeding, fertilizing. And I put on 1 bag of soil amendment. This backyard was very mossy. And it was one heck of a chore doing this yard here today. But it's dry, thank goodness. And I'm going to come back in about a month's time and just see how this lawn looks. Once again, this is Stewart with the Aerating-Thatching company, and thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Bye-bye. Hello, this is Stewart with the Aerating-Thatching company, and this is a lawn that I had previously thatched, aerated, seeded, fertilized, and I put on some soil amendment on this lawn here, and I was just driving by to check out the results. Today is June 3rd. I probably did this lawn probably about 3 weeks ago, about a month ago or so. Once again, this is Stewart with the Aerating-Thatching company, and thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Bye-bye.